In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your plan in Lemlist. So first log into your Lemlist dashboard, then in the bottom left corner, click on your profile icon. Then here, click on Plans and Billing. So here you'll see a button that says Upgrade Now just beside Lemlist. So all you have to do is click on it. Now choose the plan that fits your needs, like higher sending limits, more inboxes, or advanced features. You can see the detail and inclusions for each plan in the same page. You can also purchase yearly or for quarterly or for just monthly. And you can see the rates changing depending on the type of plan and its inclusions. Then next is just click on the upgrade button on your chosen subscription or plan. And here basically just add your address information and your card details and click on the pay button. And once done, the new plan is usually activated immediately. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!